today I am the safety prepared guy. Hello everyone, my name is Brandon and I am the Ketchup Man. Well, today I am the safety prepared guy, as I'm doing a little video reviewing my family's new first aid kit that we ordered to have around our house. So just a note, I am not sponsored in any way by of Jumpmedic.com, but I bought their product and it's a good company, and I just wanted to do a review to let others know about it. So of course, it's my son Ronan, being Ronan. He's got a little bit of blue still in his hair, but it's coming out. Well, should we show him the new Jump Medic product? Okay, I'll move you over because you're standing right next to the box. Oh, yep. Here's the box.
Okay.
Ooh. Boom.
Well, hi guys! It's a 2W video.
What's 2W video?
Watch. This is how you make a W.
Okay.
Medic supplies. I get hurt a lot, so I need a bandage.
That's true. That's true. Boom.
Oh my, it's heavy.
Oh, how about Daddy help?
I didn't know it will look like that.
Okay, this is heavy.
Why is there scissors in there?
Well, these are like paramedic scissors for cutting away clothing, so you can operate on someone. It's also good for like a lot of everything. So if you're careful about it, you cut a little bandage off and whatnot. Anyways, yeah. So this comes with a tourniquet. It comes with a training tourniquet, and then it comes with a real tourniquet. Comes with both.
Like I said, it's a 2W video. 2W.
I don't know what that is. What is 2W?
2W means a cool video. Yeah.
Well, you heard it here first. Jump Medic is 2W. Alright, now we're going to get this thing unrolled. So, basically, the price for this, okay, I'll tell you up front, is going to sound high. So, it's $219 for this up front. But, my wife and I decided it's a really good idea to have one. It comes with lots of stuff. I'm not going to go over everything that's in it, but you know, you've got your 4 major categories. You've got your medical supply, as in actual medicine, like your Advil and your Tylenol, your Bear, all that stuff. It's even got some like emergency lip guard, lip balm type of stuff. A lot of that stuff is put away, packed away in the pockets and the zippers and stuff. So, and then the next category is they got wound care, right? So you got your your saline, and you've got, this is actually just sterile water, syringes for flushing an area, antibacterial, triple antibiotic. This is poison oak and ivy formula. You've got bleed stop powder, safety glasses. And then the next category is the exposure, and that is, you've got your emergency blanket and supplies. And like I said, there's so much behind here, like tape, more tape, like this, the cloth, texture tape. So much stuff in here. But eye patches, everything you can imagine. And then just the straight up bandages, all different sizes of band-aids, gauze pads, all that stuff. That's mainly in these black zipper pockets here.
What do you mean eye patches?
Well, it's not like a pirate, but sometimes if you get hurt your eye, you need a bandage that's big enough to go over your eye until it gets better.
That's cool.
So cool. If you go to jumpmedic.com and you purchase all of these supplies, this is like emergency food, tablets, and I believe this is the blood glucose monitor. But if you go to jumpmedic.com and you want to not pay $219, you can buy the pack itself for $69 right now on sale. I know you're thinking, I'm just going to go buy a $20 backpack. Well, I can tell you that backpack is not going to do all the things that this one does. And then you can order your individual refills, right? So here's the 4 categories. For $29, you get the meds refill, wound care, exposure, bandage. $29 each. So if you want, you know, 1 refill of each, I mean, you're looking at $120 plus $69 for the bag. You're pretty much at $190. But compared to $219, if you just buy it all as the Pro Gen 1 right here, and what you get with that is you also get the trauma surgical, or the trauma scissors for removing clothes, and then you also get all the tech with it. I mean, it's crazy what this comes with. So it comes with a blood glucose monitor. It comes with those little finger oxidizers or oxygen things. I don't know, those little things. They'll get pretty expensive on their own. And then it also comes with an actual stethoscope, an emergency ring cutter. If you gotta cut the ring off, I suppose you could cut a finger off too, but yeah, don't do that. When you buy it, it also comes with an empty, what's called a Jump Medic Go. It's a smaller case, about like this big, that unfolds, and it's pretty impressive itself. It comes with that. And they sell those, I think they sell those for $29 individually, but if you get the $219 package, it comes with one of those. But it's empty for you to fill yourself. So my wife and I decided that we were just going to stop by Walmart while we had some other shopping to do, and we were going to buy some of the basics, just the basics, and we're going to stuff that full of just, you know, your Band-Aids, your gauze pads, triple antibiotic, you know, the surgical tape, papery tape stuff, just the basics, and split it between that and then another like little first aid kit we had, and those would go in our vehicles while this big one stays in the house. And then we would just take the big one with us if we were going out camping, things like that, or probably on a like an extended trip. That was the idea. And so we did that, and it was over $30 for store brand, just the basics. It really puts it in perspective just how much you're getting in this big kit. It really does. So anyways, I highly recommend it. It's jumpmedic.com. Again, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I just wanted to do a quick review.
Hey, can we be in the video?
I mean, sure, why not?
So, you never hold a gun like this. You don't aim it at your head in your head because it could injure you.
Well, if you do, you're going to need the Jump Medic Pro system, or Jump Medic Gen 1 system. It also has, I think, a chest closure, you know, thing you put on your chest if someone shoots you in it. Jumpmedic.com.